Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sabira Sabila and my student number is... Okay, here I'll practice about vowel sound. First sound is E, like in the word deep, meet, keep. Number 2, it, like in the word sit, kick, hit. Number 3, u, like in the word wood, foot, look. Number 4 is u, like in the word to, zoo, room. Number 5 is a, like in the word red, let, cat. Number 6 is like in the word butterfly, father, and family. The next is like in the word learn, heard, sir. This vowel is o, like in the word ball, star, song. The next vowel is a, like in the word set, hat, bat. The next vowel is a, like in the word fun, mud, luck. The next vowel is a, like in the word bar, heart, star. The next vowel is o, like in the word card, drop, heart. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.